Hello, Panorama Cougar staff. Hope you guys are doing all right. I just wanted to make a short video quickly going over something that I put together. It's taken me a while and I apologize. I probably should have had this ready a long time ago, but it took me longer than I thought. So I wanted to share it with you as a resource, something you can put in your toolbox, and it's fitted to asynchronous or synchronous work, or if you're remote, e-learning, whatever that may be. So hopefully this is helpful for you, and I'm going to make this video to kind of show you what we did. So back in August, way back, seems like forever ago, you got a course invite on Canvas to the AVID staff. So if you need this link, just email me and I'll make sure to get it to you. But if you click on your Panorama AVID staff Canvas course, you'll see it'll pop up here. Yours will look obviously a little different, but if you click on Class Notebook over here on the left side, you can sign into OneNote, and I know a lot of you are already familiar with this, or at least know what it is. So I'll skip all the steps here and just go straight to the notebook. So when you go to the notebook, this is kind of what I've been putting together, and you can add this, copy this to whatever you want. But really, this is just a resource for you. There's a lot in here, so don't feel like you have to look at it and read it all. You can just chip away at it as you go and find what works for you and what works for a specific lesson. But if you look, if you just go to home, that's where all the resources are going to be, and all of them are linked. Okay, so if you want to do a dialectical response, all you got to do is click on this blue link right here. Okay, you can see the ease of use and then your suggested platforms and tools for enhancement. All these are high engagement strategies as well, so that's really nice part of it. So it's categorized into our wicker, and you look here. It starts with writing, then it goes into inquiry and collaboration, organization, reading, and then all the specific strategies are over here on the left side. Okay, but all of them are here, so it just gives a brief summary of what each strategy is, some online tools you can use to increase engagement, and there's some that I don't even know of. There's some that I'm very familiar with, so I'm sure it's the same to you. But there's a lot of different ways you can use these. So as you can see, there's a lot, right? So you don't feel like you have to use all of them. But if let's say I just want to look at writing, and so I can see all the strategies here. We're all familiar with entrance and exit tickets. Okay, so these are just a couple familiar ones that we've done in the past. What's nice, there's examples, there's questions for post reflection that are tailored to you. Okay, so those are always interesting. Big thing that we've been pushing this year is obviously along with engagement is the inquiry process and deeper level questioning. So this can help, and you know what? There's more than this. This is just what I've gathered so far. And so if you look here, here's some inquiry strategies or to help you increase inquiry if that's a goal of yours in your classroom. So feel free to use or lose this. I definitely wouldn't look at all of it at once. But if you're interested, remember it's in Canvas and it's in your class notebook. And then as we go on through the years, we'll add to it. You can take what you want and tailor it to your own needs, and hopefully it helps. So if you have any questions, as always, feel free to email me, reach out to me. I'm here for you. Thank you all for your time and all the work you do with our kiddos, and I appreciate all of you. Bye.